Alright guys, I'm not trying to flex. I'm about to buy a new car right now. I might buy a new car, guys. Title and thumbnail, buying new car. This is how much money I got in Bitcoin. 1, 2, 3. I got $22. No. Yeah, 22 bucks. Damn. We hike. I might buy them right now. If I buy it, it's insane, bro. If I buy it, it's crazy. I don't know. I never vlogged when I bought my first car, but I wasn't really super into the vlogging stuff. But now I'm like really into it. This the whip. Me and Spidey just test drove this bitch. For an old car, it runs so smooth, bro. This is Spidey. Yeah, that should be was clean. But yeah, this is the car I may or may not get. The guy let us drive it, but then that fool was in a rush, so that fool low-key did. So I didn't know what to do, so I was like, fuck it, I'll wait. We waited for 1 hour just for him to show up first time, and low-key, we're waiting again. This is the car though. It's honestly, hold up. I'm with Spidey, right? This is the car I'm looking at. This shit in great condition, I'm not gonna lie. I just made the deal. I just bought the car.
Don't pop, pill, pop something else. The 10 toes bouncing out of
New whip.
What's up, bro? I missed you. I haven't seen you in a minute. I've been chilling.
About to get drifted up. Where we been at? I don't even know where we at. Bro, what is that? Hey. Whoa. Okay. Yeah. Hey, what we about to learn?
We about to learn how to screen print. We about to learn how to print by DESTODUBB.
Yeah.
I'm screaming, wake up, boy, it's time to get that paper. Wake up, boy, it's time to get that paper. Wake up, boy, it's time to get that paper. I've been asleep too long. Tell them dreams, I'll see you later. Said, wake up, tell them bitches, see you later. Wake up, tell them hoes, I'll see you later. Said, wake up, boy, it's time to get that paper. I've been asleep too long.
We behind the scenes. How to make a DESTODUBB shirt.
Yeah,
we hate it.
This is fire. What's about to happen? I don't know what's. Oh,
My shirt was lame, bro. I've been wanting to take it off. I got this fool's hat right here. Yeah. Thank you. I don't know who that is. Check out these 5 shirts from DESTODUBB. This fool put his hat right here.
Asking Dub to coin flip for a hood.
You do it? At the end? Alright, at the end, we're gonna wait. This is what we do in 5 minutes. Say hi. Hey.
you need that bag? Go ask your mama.
Go ask your mama.
Y'all tripping in my DM.
Tripping in her DM.
Stop tripping, bro. Alright guys, I'm currently with Ricky. I hope you guys can hear me. I'm currently riding on a scooter, full throttle. I'm holding my phone with my other hand. Woo! And my other hand has the brakes. We're full throttle. Yo, this shit is fun. You ready?
Holy shit.
Ah, fuck, I'm stupid. Where's he going? That was zooming.
All I can say is yo at Hollywood over there.
Yo, it feels like I'm gonna pop a wheelie right now.
He's grinding all up on me.
Nah, cuz.
Yo. That was funny.
Nah, you don't have to say that.
The people over there watching like, what the fuck? Shout out electric scooters, man.
Show them where we at. Right there, CC
We got new cars. Check them out. This is the whip I was telling you guys about. That guy right now, low-key hit my door, but I'm not gonna say anything. Cause look at that G, bro. Sheesh. Alright. Car tour, real quick. Come inside. Car tour. Come inside. That's what we see. Oh my gosh. I already got trash. This man has to go be busy. So I'm gonna see what I'm gonna do right now. Okay, so currently I don't know where I'm in. 30-minute drive, and I'm going to trade the Lexus that I bought 2 days ago. 2 days ago. Bought it on Friday. It's currently Sunday. I'm gonna trade it for an Acura Integra. I'm gonna show y'all the Lexus one more time. This is the car. This is the car. This is the car. I'm trying to get a good video. I told the guy I'm 10 minutes away, but I'm actually here, so I'm probably gonna text him that I'm here now. I'm gonna see when he pulls up. Wait, where did I sign? Where did I sign?
Sign buyer signature right here, and then put your name, and then put your name right here too.
I'm gonna post it on YouTube, okay?
All right.
This is the person I just traded the Lexus for Taggy. So I just got this haircut. It's a mullet. Oh, shit. Make sure to follow my Instagram for you can see more things. I clearly can't park here because look, just there's just no space. This is the Acura I got. I sadly was stupid and traded it for this car. And then whenever I try to get in, it just here's Rafael. You got my shirt from the last video. The car I just got a mullet. What do you think? What do you think of mullet?
That shit clean, low key.
The size and shit. Hey, record me trying to get into it. This shit, like, look, this is a problem, bro. It just. There you go. Sometimes I spend forever. This is a car tour. Look.
Let's see, let's see.
How to put this thing just so they won't steal it, you know what I'm saying? And look. Yeah, I got you. Reaction of the car, what you
That
think?
shit's sick as fuck, bro.
On God?
And the top window actually works, right?
Nah. Let's see if y'all know how to open this whip.
Alright. Wait, look, he's struggling.
Look at the motor, bro. It has like a shitload of things rebuilt
You got
to
it detailed before or what?
Nah, it's just like a lot of shit's rebuilt, like this,
Bro, I would've done that
this,
shit
like
low-key.
this. Nah, but that's why it's worth it, bro. Look at this engine.
Bro.
Spidey was with me when I got the Lexus, but my dumbass traded it for
Shit, I
this.
wouldn't sell this low key. I'd keep it.
Oh God. No, I just gotta do what I gotta do. I'm gonna get something manual. Me and Rafa gonna play a quick game of skate. Oh. Redo? I felt like it touching the back of my heel.
Alright. You shouldn't have said redo.
I felt it touching the back of my heel right here. Woo. Rate the cut. Rate the cut. Rate the cut. Oh! Ooh! Bro! Oh!
See?
Redo? Fuck it. Fuck it.
Ooh, what the fuck? You had that.
Oh, what?
Let's do skate like SK8.
Yeah.
This shit gonna take a while, bro.
Fuck it, fuck it. Yo, was that the hospital? That was.
I'm just trying to make them dollars, spend it on future shit, kicking it and tricking tricks.
Come on, bro.
Come on, at least try, bro.
I'm just trying to get rich, then I'm trying to fuck.
Today my substitute teacher got mad at me because I was recording him because I said my friend looks like Money Sign Suede, but he does.
Taki Kato says Money Sign Suede his ass. Nolly?
Switch Ollie.
Switch Ollie.
Something like that. Bro. What happened? What happened? ¿Estás bien, papi? Let's get it. Rafa's gonna try to ollie into the bank. I was like,
Finally. Come on, bro. You could do the 3 block. Ooh. Ooh,
okay, get it?
That was clean, bro.
Shout out, Johns. Slice some. Thank you.
They call me Zeno. Mama cry when I lie, I'm too used to it. Remember times that I lied for some stupid shit. For this girl that I like, I'm the one that Cupid hit. For some stupid shit. For the drugs that I like, yeah, that future shit. I don't cry when I lie, I'm too used to it. Remember times that I lied, and yeah, I still hold truth in it. When I die, please don't cry, swear I'm just a stupid bitch. I can't chase no girl, girl you come to me, tell me where you be. I'll pop out on you, got you for the free. Bless you with this weed, shawty what you need. Besides you and me, fuck about what they think. Let's just roll in peace, let's just run this weed. Watch it burn away, kick it out all day. I come out to play, came out from a ways. You know where I stay, Bonnie fucking B. I can fucking see, you got F to B. Bitch don't fuck with me, I got swag on me. Got it for the cheap, got it for the low. Girl send me your low.
Damn, crazy ass food. I can't keep up with you.
They hear me scream, I'm a killer like I'm screaming. Ghost face off a bleak, I'm numb, I cannot think. That's just what I think, I just let it hear you scream.